Hello students, today I have come with another comment. CKMB is an isoenzyme. Whenever you write an answer that is for a comment, it is usually a short question. That is, it will be hardly of 2 marks. So in very short, you have to explain the comment. I'll just show you how you are going to do it. For example, here, this comment, there are two words. One is CKMB and the other is isoenzyme. So we have to explain both of them and then correlate both of them. Okay. So first thing is here, it is a isoenzyme. So we have to give the definition of isoenzyme. Isoenzyme means it is a multiple form of the same enzyme, and it catalyzes the same biochemical reaction. That means all the isoenzyme of the same enzyme will catalyze the same biochemical reactions, but it differs in physical and kinetic properties. This is known as isoenzyme. Okay. So now let's talk about CKMB. Before going for CKMB, first we will see the enzyme that is from CKMB is the isoenzyme of CK. CK is creatine kinase. It is also called as CPK or creatine phosphokinase. Creatine phosphokinase catalyzes the reversible phosphorylation of creatine to creatine phosphate. ATP is used and it forms ATP. This creatine phosphate is the storage form of energy in the muscle. During muscle contraction, ATP is consumed to form ADP. So here what will happen? CK will catalyze the rephosphorylation of ADP to ATP. So creatine phosphate will become creatine. Okay, so this is where CK is required. CK activity is greater in striated muscles, brain, and heart tissues. CK isoenzymes are dimer. Dimer means it is made up of two polypeptide chains. They are made up of M, that is the muscle type, and B, that is the brain type. So they form three isoenzymes and they are named according to their electrophoretic mobility. So it is CK1, it has BB polypeptide, it is present in brain. While CK2, it has M and B, it is a mixed isoenzyme, it is in cardiac tissues. And CK3 It has isoenzyme. It is in skeletal muscles. Detection of CK2 in serum strongly is suggestive of myocardial infarction. You can say myocardial dysfunction, damage to the myocardial. That in this condition, CK2 or CKMB will be in highest concentration. So from this, we can another comment can also be framed. So instead of asking CKMB is an isoenzyme, another question can be framed that CKMB is a cardiac marker. So here also the answer will be same, but you have to add few sentences about what is cardiac marker. Cardiac marker means it is the marker of cardiac dysfunction. That means there are tests in the lab. There are clinical lab tests which are used to detect cardiac dysfunction. So, if CKMB is high or CK2 is high, it is suggestive of myocardial infarction. It is a very sensitive and specific test for myocardial cell wall injury. This is also an early marker. Early marker means it increases immediately when there is a myocardial damage. It rises, that is CKMB, rises 3 to 6 hours, within 3 to 6 hours when there is a myocardial damage. If there is no further damage in the heart muscle, it reaches a peak level at 24 hours and returns to normal by around 72 hours. The magnitude of rise of CKMB corresponds approximately to the size of the cardiac muscle infarct. Indicating the severity of. So the same comment can be asked in two ways, that is CKMB as an isoenzyme or CKMB is a cardiac marker. So answer will be the same. Okay, I hope you understood it properly. And if you have any doubts, you can write a comment below. And do tell me whether this form is better than my earlier way of taking my lectures. That is in the PPT form is better, or this one is better. You can give, you can share your ideas, or you can share your comment. Thank you so much.